If you post on Instagram and sometimes forget to keep a copy of your original photo, there's a setting that can save you every time, literally. Let's turn it on so you never lose your best shots again. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This page is your hub for posts, reels, highlights, and all your account settings. In the top right corner of your profile, you'll see 3 small horizontal lines, tap it, and a side menu will slide open with all your account and privacy options. From the menu, scroll down until you see archiving and downloading. Tap it to open. This section handles how Instagram saves and stores your posts, stories, and reels, so it's the place where all your saving preferences live. Inside, find the option Save Original Photos. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. If it's off, tap it so it turns on. Once activated, Instagram will automatically store a copy of every photo you post straight to your device's gallery or camera roll in full resolution. You'll always have the original version ready to edit, print, or share again without hunting through backups. Keep your memories protected and let Instagram work for you in the background.